Yo, real, yo, Pricele Dancerz, flavors, fresh prince, yo, top star dancers, black thing of the whole federation. Yo, Shelly Belly.
So who are dancing?
It's a dancing thing, you know. Yo, it's a top star thing, you know.
Yeah.
Dancing anywhere I go to, I'm dancing with my whole crew. Oh,
like a bush broom, so we sweep, we put them on the street. Them a rubbish, so we gather them, push them up in a heap. Anywhere music a play and anywhere dance a keep. We are sway to the sleep, then you mix it with the gully cream. From a name when you have on sweet, make them say it. Me sitting at a near dirt at the middle of the street. Them a sway. Rodney killer a dance, so no game room. Cause the way you we must sweep the place it like him foot a bloom. Think on a dance from him in a him at the home. Cause the way you we must sweep the place it like him foot a bloom.
Say girl, them dangerous. What them say? What them say? Remarkable, Pricele Dancerz. Remarkable shot at that eyes. Give him that, give him that, give him that. Sway, sway. We are too
deep again. Alright, new dancer. Rage one dancer, no one can test. What did you dance name? So blessed. Do the so blessed. Even up. Pricele Dancerz, even up. Them a do the dance name. Even up. Level up. Thing as if you dance.
Why? Some man, no, they will come till they come over. Some man on time number. Oh shit. I don't know how the hell am I reaching home still. We never knew how we reach home. What's the YouTube? YouTube. Yo, I want to say something for the fans them. Yo, I want to say something for the fans them, my Pricele now. What I say? Tell Tell them what they expect for 2009. I don't know. I big up the important people them like Dweebs and 2iPhone, Classic and awkward and dangerous to the rest of them. Yeah. That's it. So what about the LA squad them and the MOB? You don't know what the LA squad, MOB, all of them. We certified dancers, flying step dancers. So they said 2000. Some people said it's a 2009, some people say 2005, but Pricele said it's a 2009. Our year. Yo, Shane, the day still enough. Yo, the pour some for Shane. Yo, pour some for Shane. Pour some. Pour some for Carl. Yo, mom came and picked him up, brought him home. This I go on the internet today. Boy, it's I go on YouTube, right? So we can make cassette no say Mark like are still. Oh, for real. Oh, good. Really? Oh. Sorry. Drama. You have a special lady to be up. Why? Why I tell you to go to you have a special trip here. Yo, big up all of my baby mother them. Hold on. I love you, Amy. Oh, okay. Chad. Anybody on YouTube you want to hi to? Like a special young lady? Rabbit. I know my big up, babe, Rabbit. You don't know. No? I got no. Then, let's get into know Pricele now, but still, you know, say, I'm always the Pricele. Representing to the guy with the Buckfoot? No, they don't need to know that part, you know, yo. Pricele Dancerz, aka Broadcast Dancers, aka that me say I'm hungry. Yeah. Remarkable if you never know. Wait a Weezy, remarkable, dangerous, aka trainer. Hey, I'm going to change my name, you know. Jesus Christ, how much name would I want, man? Dangerz aka trainer. You can't be like me and Chad, man. Dangerz aka trainer. My name is right, get it right. Chad, me and Weezy. Blame, coolest dancer in the Pricele because them cool, so blame. All as well, organized and neat. And big Pricele fan in the background on her phone saying hi. Say hi to the fans on YouTube.
How we say every day.
You know, sir. I Pricele Dancerz, you know how you said, even if I level for them. But 2009. Okay, I got
level the playing field for no. We're not leveling the playing field for no man. We are saying our Pricele, I take it to them.
Hold on. One more important note, you know. We want to know how come someone like Tuggy come back with them wicked videos them so we can learn and free. And see what go on.
And then when they start,
and then start for we, you know.